Hi, I'm Jack Coker and I work for Toyota Gazoo Racing UK with Ginsters. I'm just one of the mechanics, so day-to-day care of the car, making sure we're ready for each session, making sure Tom's happy and making sure the car looks good. If he comes in for this bar change his first time round, you're right, just jacking us up and car controlling and all that. Me and Andy do the bar. Thanks.
You want the 6mm one?
Is that, you know, that long thin drift we had, the nice one? And then if we do the dampers, do you want to do jack us up, get the stands in, wheels off, and do you want to do the top push rod bolts if we crack on with the engine based stuff? That takes longer, doesn't it? So the main role would be sort of car control, so making sure the car enters and exits the box safely. And also any setup changes that Tom requests during the session.